Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word handouts. It's a term related to the distribution of information or materials. Let's get started. Meaning. Handouts is a noun that refers to printed or digital materials, documents, or information distributed to a group of people, often in an educational or informational setting. Handouts are used to provide supplementary information, resources, or reference materials for better understanding and retention. Pronunciation. Pronounce handouts as ʻhændouts, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. The teacher gave the students handouts with key points from the lecture. 2. The conference organizers prepared digital handouts for attendees to access on their devices. Synonyms. Synonyms for handouts include materials, handouts, printed resources, or informational documents. Conclusion. Handouts play a valuable role in educational and informational settings, providing participants with additional resources to enhance their understanding and retention of content. Thanks for joining us, and may your access to handouts always be informative and enriching.